What is going on, Meta Millionaires slash stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, maybe Buy the Dip. All right, guys, we got a lot to talk about today. We got some stuff going on with Meta. Stock is coming down a little bit right now, but we got some good points here and a little bit of speculative news that's really seeming pretty strong about Meta Materials working with Samsung. So very interesting stuff. We're going to cover that in the video. And we're going to go over a couple other things, to make sure you stay tuned. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, hit that bell notification. That way you get updates when they come out. So guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. Let's go. All right, guys, real quick look at the chart. The stock is going down today. We're down over 10%. And I guess you could say, we said in yesterday's video, this is expected. You go up 20, 30% one day, you're bound to come down. And I think this could be a possibility, a way of the shorts to try to scare people and get us to sell out before this possible T21 and stuff kicks into effect and the shorts have to cover. There's a lot of failure to delivers out there as well. So like I said, guys, it's your money. Do what you want. If you want to sell, sell. If you want to buy more, buy the dip. If you want to hold, just hold. Do what you want to do. But I'm here to give you the updated news. So we've got this article here that is very interesting here on Reddit. And I must say, this gentleman has some pretty good points. Here he says the nano web will be in the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, which will possibly be released August 11th. This could be a big catalyst for this in a sense. Here he says, hello Meta Apes. I've stumbled upon an article from 2019 discussing why the Samsung Galaxy Fold 1 and 2 failed and how Samsung is partnering with Meta Materials to make the Galaxy Fold 3 a success. The article is even mentioning Meta Materials CEO George Polkaris. Here he says, now comes the kicker. Samsung scheduled an unpacked event for August 11th, most probably announcing the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 with Meta Materials NanoWeb. It took them 2 years between the article and implementing it into the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. Help us spread the word, be excellent to each other, and diamond hand this gold mine. So very interesting. So I clicked this article here, guys, and it takes you this article back here to 2019. Now, I must say, very nice article here. You scroll down, it says the coming of a smartphone. It has the fold fails. It talks about how they had issues with the fold material. But we're going to go down here and get into some of the good stuff. So here it says, they had reviews, pushed to Samsung, halt back the device, slated to hit the market by April 26th. So they had some issues and stuff, and here it says it's not all complete fold after all. They had issues with the screens, but here we go. So it says experimenting with new materials could potentially improve the functionality in foldable gadgets, particularly on the matter of the screens, is ongoing. Of these new materials, one of the most promising are substances known as Meta Materials. That's right, Meta Materials that switch from soft to hard and back again. According to Jonathan Fan, electrical engineer at Stanford University, big news there, Meta Materials are artificially structured, man-made materials where instead of using naturally occurring atoms and molecules, they define their own sub-wavelength structures. The ability to alter sub-wavelength structures of these materials give them a host of new performative abilities. George Polkaris, founder and CEO of Meta Materials Technology, is developing an alternative technology called NanoWeb, which bends foldable phones without cracking. NanoWeb is made of super thin sheet of silver. These sheets are malleable, transparent, and conductive. By altering the sub-wavelength of these sheets of silver, Polkaris hopes to infuse technology into the screens of foldable phones, therefore making them more durable and flexible. And here it talks about prior to NanoWeb, companies had, they had silver metal mesh, silver nanowires, and things like that. And they give some final words down here. So, all right, and someone did on that Reddit post say, I don't see where Meta has Samsung listed as partners. Well, the gentleman that wrote that article posted this. If you look at the Meta investor presentation of April 2021, you can see all the partners here, and right here in the middle, Samsung. They got Mazda. They got all kind of Airbus, PPG, all kind of companies. They work with Boeing, guys. They have all kind of stuff here, all these companies that they work with. So right there it is listed, proof that they do work with Samsung. And all right, guys, we're going to go here to Meta's website themselves and go under the NanoWeb. And here it says, revolutionary transparent conductive film. Meta is answering the need with NanoWeb, the world's highest performance, iodine-free, transparent metal mesh. You kind of know what it is, but you can go in here and check it out. Here you see a gentleman holding it up into the sky, and it's very clear. You can see completely through it. Down here, it has the benefits. Invisible to the human eye. Sub-micron line. Here it has the capability. Most flexible films. Most rigid substrates. Glass, sapphire, any metals. Large area applications. Here it has the custom designs available. Sheet resistance. Haze. So, there. I think this is probably one of the key ones. Most flexible films, and it is invisible to the human eye, guys. That's right here on the benefits. Right under here on Metamaterials NanoWeb section. I think that's a very good, that they have it right on there. It's in their investor presentation. So I think that is some great due diligence that I do believe it's possible that they are going to be working with Samsung. And they got that August 11th date. So I think that could be something. All right, guys, and here we are on Metamaterials' Twitter page. And I do want to say this is a good sign because their last two posts, they have been looking to hire people. Which, if you know, we follow CCIB and Lucid. We like seeing that Lucid has a ton of job positions. They're looking to get people to come into the company. Here it says 4 hours ago, Meta is seeking a senior process manufacturing engineers in our facility in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. So there you go. Down here, Meta is seeking an accountant to help a finance team to meet its goals, including financial reporting, compliance, enhancing internal control design. So there you go. That two positions they posted here that they are hiring on. Back here is when they said Meta joined the Stanford University System X Alliance, which was kind of huge, guys, because in that article we just covered here, they said back in 2019 about the Stanford University as well. So I think that kind of plays into it. And guys, I want to end the video actually here of something I've been thinking about. I have some shares. I'm looking to get some more shares. But if I'm really going to be bullish on Meta, now the farthest out options contract I can get is January 21st of 2022. So not too far to go. It's probably about about 6 months out. Now you would be risking money because if the stock stays where it's at and it don't go up high, we're going to lose money. But I think what I'm going to do is just let you know I'm thinking about options. I'm going to put a couple screenshots down in my Patreon group. So if you want to see what my process thought is on possibly these options and buying some options, consider joining the Patreon group. And it's $5 a month. We're going to try to get that premium version of the Fintel website. And I'm going to post these options in there as well. The stock seems to be kind of bottoming them out here today around the $3.40, $3.45 range. So I'm hoping it doesn't go much lower than that because even if it stays where it's at, we're still up 10% from yesterday. So that's still pretty good. I like to see, if it goes up 20 one day, comes back 10, if we go up another 20 the next day, that's great. That's healthy. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Comment down below, what do you think? Do you think Meta is going to be working with Samsung? We got all this stuff about Meta and Tesla, but they're also got ties to Samsung, so this is very interesting. I think Meta has a great future ahead of them, and I do think that they will be working with some EV companies with the technology that they have, because with Meta's technology and with these metamaterials, it's going to save these EVs on their battery ranges and the kilowatts per hour that they use. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the thumbs up, check out the links down below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.